Hello class, I'm here to talk with you today about the definition of psychology and the evolutionary perspective. So here we go. The definition of psychology, the scientific study of the human mind and its functions. The mental characteristics or attitude of a person or group. The discipline embraces all aspects of the human experience, from the functions of the brain to the actions of nations, from child development to care for the aged. In every conceivable setting, from scientific research centers to mental health care services, the understanding of behavior is the enterprise of psychology. The 4 goals of psychology. Number 1 is description, observing behavior, a spoken or written representation or account of a person, object, or event. Number 2 is prediction, a thing predicted, a forecast. Number 3, explanation, a statement or account that makes something clear. Lastly, number 4, control, the power to influence or direct people's behavior or the course of events. My focus is on this module is on the evolutionary perspective. So let me start. Evolutionary perspective focuses on the biological basis of universal mental characteristics that all humans share. Charles Darwin was the big name that started the extensive research on the evolutionary perspective. Darwin provided many examples of instinctive behaviors in animals and suggested how such behaviors could have evolved. Studying psychology within an evolutionary framework has revolutionized the field, allowing different approaches to be unified under one banner. Darwin also pioneered one of the evolutionary psychology methods. The result coming from this new field continues to change how we view our behavior and mental abilities as well as those of other animals. Evolutionary psychology is an approach in the social and natural sciences that examines psychological traits such as memory, perception, and language. From modern evolutionary perspective, it seeks to identify which human psychological traits are evolved adaptations. An evolutionary approach to studying behavior and psychology allows scientists to ask different questions about traits, such as how does this trait develop? How was this trait evolved? What does this function serve? And what triggers the behavior? These 4 questions are known as the psychogenetic cause, ontogenetic cause, ultimate cause, and proximate cause, respectively. What did evolution do for us? Understanding human behavior from an evolutionary perspective has opened many fields. For example, by comparing human infants with that of an infant chimp, we can ask questions about how the ability to interact socially develops. When infants learn to imitate or understand the intentions of others and what differences there are between human mental development and that of other apes. Other fields study sexual desire, sexual orientation, and mate choice. Parental care has also been a major field of study. We have now improved understanding of how people make decisions, why societies exist, and why so many people believe in a religion. In short, all aspects of the way we view ourselves and our behavior have been touched by Darwin's impact on psychology. In these ways, the evolutionary perspective relates to all of us, really. And that concludes it. That's it. Hope you